We have given figure, and on the figure we have that angle 1 is congruent to angle 2, angle 3 is congruent to angle 4, and we have to prove that line KO is parallel to LM. Let's extend this line. This is our line KO, and this is our LM. So let's do table to solve our problem. On the left side we will write statements, and on the right side we will have reasons. First we have to write what we have given. We have given that angle 1 is congruent to angle 2. This is given. At the beginning we have to write everything what we have given. What else we have? We have given that angle 3 is congruent to angle 4. This is given too. Next, we have given that angle 1 is congruent to 2 and 3 is congruent to 4. And what else do we see? That angle 2 and 3 are vertical angles. And we know that vertical angles are congruent. So we can write that angle 2 is congruent to angle 3. Why? Because there are vertical angles. Angle 2 and angle 3 are vertical angles. And vertical angles are congruent. Next, because angle 2 is congruent to 3 and we know that 1 is congruent to 2, 2 is congruent to 3 and 3 is congruent to 4, so it means that angle 1 is congruent to angle 4. So we have interior angles are congruent, by the transitive property of congruence for angles. It means that lines KOM and LM are parallel. Why? Let's look again to the diagram. This is our transversal of these two lines, and we see that alternate interior angles are the same. Angle 1 is congruent to angle 4. And that angles are alternate interior angles. We know that if alternate interior angles are congruent, it means that lines KO and LM are parallel. So we have, by the alternative interior angle converse, these two lines are parallel. Let me remind you that alternative interior angles are angles which are between two lines and on the opposite sides of our transversal. This is my solution.